Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener channel today. For those that saw the video recently on the micrometer, I mentioned a micrometer stand would really come in handy when using this tool. I reached out to the Penn Tool Company and asked them about one, and to my surprise, when I opened the box, they sent several extra items. One of them is this shirt that I've got on. Now I'm going to zoom in and show everyone what they sent and how to use it. First of all, the micrometer stand is from eye gauging. This way you can free up one hand while you're taking your measurements. I'm going to show this in just a moment. They also sent this wrench ID, and it tells you what size wrench you need for your nuts and your bolts, and it also has inside and outside diameter measurements. This DMT diamond sharpening stone, specifically because the Bearded Sharpener specializes in sharpening. I try to show all the different methods, all the different tools. This is one I had not shown in the past. Today we're going to show that one. First of all, I'm going to show you about this micrometer stand. It's adjustable, just like most of them are. This is heavy duty. And you can put your monitor in here. Get it snug down, and then you can adjust it to any angle you want that's comfortable for you. That way you can take your measurements. You've got one hand to turn the knob, one hand to hold the item. Now we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to go over this. And I'm probably going back to camera out here in just a moment so you get a little wider view on this one. But I'm going to show it to everyone before. This is a handy little item. Measure your nuts and bolts. I'll show you some of the settings on it. Turn it on. Zero it out. It measures in inches and millimeters. This is the outside diameter. And make sure everyone can kind of see here. Get your measurement on that. Now we have the inside diameter measurements. And we'll use this little deep hole saw to do that. I'm trying my best to make sure everyone can see all the measurements we have. Got your measurements that way. Now we got your wrench and socket measurements. Okay. Take this. Need a 1/2 inch wrench. Handy little gadget here. Set this to the side and turn it back off. It has several different modes on it. And it does have a little light on it as well. And this little diamond sharpener, I'm going to show everyone, well, I've got it close up, the details on this. This is extra fine, and it comes with a little sleeve to keep it in. Now I'm going to back out just a little bit so everyone can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to show everyone about this little diamond whetstone. This is the extra fine version, but they have several others. They have fine, coarse, extra coarse, and this is lubricated with water. So we'll just put a little water on it. And I've just got just a little inexpensive kitchen knife. One thing about being a bearded sharpener, there's not too many dull knives around the house. But you can see this one is. So we'll see what kind of fast work we can make out of this one. Always get your angle. Shouldn't take long to touch this one up. Now I believe we've got an edge we can work with. Not bad for a little cheap knife. Now we'll have a few final words. I hope everyone has enjoyed what they saw in this video today and were impressed with the items that I presented. I recommend you go to Penn Tool Company website. They have a wide array of tools for sale. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Like and subscribe. Share this channel. Tell all your friends. Hit the notification bell. Till then, have a good day.